Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 will be turning 8 years old this October. And despite of that, there's one piece of information that still tricks up new players. How to level up past level 80. Early on in the game's story, it'll have you use these transfer shop clerks to go check out some of the other capsules around Conton City. One in particular you'll want to be looking out for is Guru's house. If you saw the notification that Guru's house needs defending, you'll notice Nail will have a question mark above his head, indicating he has a quest available to defend the Dragon Balls. There should be 7 of these in total. Between each mission, you will have to go and play some other parallel quests or main story missions before he'll ask for help again. These missions are fairly straightforward. You'll come in, talk to him, tell him yes, you're ready to go, and it'll open up a quest. I'm on part 5, but there should be 7 parts in total that you'll end up doing. Once inside, there'll typically be a few enemies for you to clear out. Once you clear out the enemies, you'll be free to collect the Dragon Balls. Clicking the right stick will zoom the scouter in and out. You can hold up to 2 at a time. You pick them up and drop them off at your spaceship. And there we go. We've completed 1 out of 7 parts. Now it says Guru's house is very secure. And we will have to leave and go and do 3 parallel quests or the main story quests until it gives us the notification that Guru's house needs defending again. You do that 7 times, and eventually it will say Guru wishes to speak to you, after which you'll be able to enter his house. And then you'll be able to come in here and speak to him, where he'll increase your level to 85. And then you will rinse and repeat this process to unlock up to level 90, 95, and then finally 99. This unlock is account wide, so you only have to do it once per your account, and then every character will have their level cap at 99. Now we're done with the hard part of leveling up. Everything else will be pretty straightforward. Our next step will be to find Whis, who just happens to be underneath Guru's house. To raise your level cap from 99 to 120, you'll need to bring him a parfait from the item shop, which will cost 100,000 zeni. If we come from Whis, you can fly straight through the bamboo garden, into town, take a left, and we'll get to our item plaza.
Welcome, friend.
You can buy with either Zeni or TP medals. Come over to the food tab, and we'll actually be needing one of both, a parfait and a tempura. After you purchase those, you head back to Whis, talk to him. You have the option to get stronger, in which you'll give him the parfait, which will raise your level from 99 to 120, which also increases your attribute caps from 125 to 200. Then, if you also bought the tempura from our last step, you could then just turn around, talk to him again. There's the same option, but give him the tempura, which will raise your level cap from 120 to 140. Hopefully now with this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to get out there and be the strongest fighter you can be. Good luck and have fun.